I was working with Ernst & Young.
After my graduation, I joined Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited.
So I have close to 6 years of work experience working with Ernst & Young, Wipro, Better.com, and my last organization was National Australia Bank.
6 years of work experience in sales.
I have 20 years of experience in manufacturing.
6 years into the industry of business development, marketing and sales roles.
Learn about a lot of industries from my peers. I've been given a lot of exposure to people with a lot of significant experience from various backgrounds, which would not have been possible otherwise. Understanding of the business world better, understand how business works and how I would be able to contribute better.
Executives who were having a significant amount of experience, and their experience helped me to grow and to know about the fields that are present in the industry. So I'm very much confident that IMT Ghaziabad will help me to make the transition.
The best part of this program is a 1-month international immersion program that we have, and this year we went to Lisbon to IMT University. It's one of the most prestigious university in Lisbon.
Keys learning pedagogy. It has provided a number of opportunity to work into best of the organization and intern with the best of the places that we have.
Preferred IMT Ghaziabad because it is 40-year-old institute, and the Executive MBA program here in IMT Ghaziabad gives you the plenty of opportunities. So I'm here at IMT Ghaziabad to become a future leader in the manufacturing sector.
The deliverables of the program were such that helped me to become a much better leader with a vision and the goals that can help me to develop the person that I am becoming right now.
Many experiential learnings that they provide. So it happened in a different city for 3 to 4 days where you have to work in teams, in different teams, where you understand that how teamwork builds, that how team bonding comes into the picture, how strategic thinking come into the picture.